Hello everyone, welcome to Security TV. My name is Manasseh and I will be showing us how to register new prospects today. So the first thing we have to do is to log into our account, just as we announced over the Zoom meeting during the weekend. There are two ways you can buy epins. The first is to pay to the company's account and the epin will be created for in your back office. And the second way is to buy directly from your back office, okay? And all of that is available for you under this my epins menu, okay? You can click here, for instance. If you want to buy directly, you click to buy epins, okay? But if you want it to be created for you, like this person, he paid and it was created for him, that's why we can find it here. All right, so we'll be using this to do registration, but before then, these are just the two ways you can get epins for now, okay? I'll be doing a video on how to buy the epins from here directly, so that will also be uploaded for us to view. So now that we are in, we want to register a new downline, so we come to register downliner and select the option. It will bring it for us. So this is it. The epin is available here. If we click here, this is it. So if you have 10 epins, all of them will be available. You will be able to see them and select any of them to use. So we'll select this. This is the sponsor. This is the sponsor, and this person does not have anybody under him, so we are using this as sponsor. We'll click next and fill in the details. So this is the country. We select the country of this person and also select the state. And then enter the postal address. Okay, now this residential address, you enter anywhere you are staying. And then you enter your personal details. This is where you enter your full name. The first thing is your surname, then your first name, then contact address, contact phone number, then email address, then we have the username. Okay, you have the opportunity to create a username that suits you, and then your new password that you want to use. You confirm that same password, then you enter the bank details. Once that is done, you submit form. Okay, so an OTP has been sent to my email. I'll have to log into my email account to get that. So make sure whatever email you are using to do registration for your prospect is live and you can access it. Okay, whether you can access it or your prospect can access it, so that they will send you the OTP for you to complete the registration. So this is it. I will select this and come back here and paste. As you can notice, there's a space in between the first letter, and so I have to make sure it does not exist. That's a white space. If you leave it, it will reject it. So I'll clear that out and then submit this. So it's loading. If you didn't receive it, you can request for it to be resent by clicking resend OTP. So we'll have to wait for that to load. I think the network is a little bit slow. So while that is going on, you already know how to buy epin. This is where you click and then it will lead you to where you buy it. So when the video is out, we will also be notified. We will notify you and drop the video on our YouTube channel. So let's just give it some time. The network is a bit slow. Alright, so we are done. Account registration, congratulations. Account registration was successful. A confirmation email has been sent to your email address on file. So if I come back to my email to be sure, as you can see, this is the email. Hi, hello Atage, your account registration for username is successful. Thank you for choosing us, security team. Alright, so we can log out of this account, or you just click OK, then you choose to log out. So the epin has gone because it is used already. So I can sign out of this account and re-log in on this new one to be sure my registration actually went through. So we are logged out. Let's check our new, let's check our new account that we just registered. Alright, so we have a Tasco 1 and this is the password. Okay, so my registration is done and ready. So this is the new prospect that I just registered. This is back office, as you can see. So this is how to do registration. Please go through it. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section of our YouTube page, or you get across to the customer care and they will help you with it. Thank you.